When I first had my very first outside sales job, I literally had to go door to door carrying super heavy books for sale. And I can tell you a few times I felt like this guy, right? I've had doors shut on me. I have had receptionists get angry. I have had lots of no's in my life. And it wasn't until I decided to embrace the objection that the no's didn't really mean anything to me anymore. And they actually became tools in my business. So I'm really excited to share with you how you can have that feeling around objections too. All right. So first of all, the top 4 types of objections are simply the human mind justifying a purchase. Okay, mind blown. If you can find that little emoji with the brain exploding right now, pop that into the comment section right now, because this is the number one thing that I want to make sure that you understand. Objections are actually buying signals. Okay. But the only thing is that the buying signals, they need to be resolved, right? You have to resolve the wheels that are turning in someone's head to be able to feel comfortable purchasing from you. Okay. So objections are totally natural and human. If I think about every single time I've worked with a coach, because I believe every coach should have a coach. So every single time I've invested with a coach, you know what they call me? They call me the data finder. So there's different types of buyers out there, right? So some people make buying decisions based on their heart, some on their head, some on a combination, right? And so when we're in an online business, right, where you don't have the time is not always the luxury, right? It's not somebody who's been in your social circle forever and their buying decisions and their habits, right? And so the beautiful part is once you need to attract the head and the heart, then the words that you say can be very deliberate and intentional, and you can help people go through their decisions in an accelerated rate.